Hello, good morning. I'm Simon Low, and today I'm going to show you how to make use of our output from Storyline to become a common access web page by using KeyFocus Web Server. Storyline allows us to publish our Storyline project to become a web page by publish it to a web page. And Storyline will also create for us one folder that contains all the necessary information for us to make use of the necessary file to become a web page. As you can see, this is the folder and the necessary information that output from Storyline when we publish the Storyline project to become a web page. There's one story.html file which is ready for us to use. Let's take a look as well the root folder of KeyFocus Web Server. We go in C, Program Files, look for KeyFocus folder, KeyFocus, and click on KFWS folder, and there's a folder called htdocs, which is the root folder of KeyFocus Web Server. You can see there's one index.html. This is the default page of KeyFocus Web Server. What we are going to do is we're going to replace this file with our story.html. Before we're going to replace this default page, let's take a look again what is the default page look like. Let's open a browser and key in http 127.0.0.1. This is our default page of KeyFocus Web Server, and we're going to replace this default page into our web page that output from Storyline. Let's close this window. We need to copy the content of Storyline output folder into the KeyFocus Web Server root folder. Let's go to the Storyline output folder. We need to copy all this file into our root folder. Paste it. Continue. And we have all the necessary file already. So now let's replace the index.html with our story.html, because KeyFocus Web Server recognize the root default page by index.html. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the name of the default page to another name and change our story.html into index.html. Okay, let's rename our default page first. Let's change it to become backup, and now let's change our story.html to become index.html. Index.html. Basically, we already done. Let's test this and see. Let's open a browser and point again to our IP address, which is http 127.0.0.1, and let's see will it reflect the new page or not. This is our output page by Storyline, and you can see we have already replaced the default page of KeyFocus Web Server by this output from Storyline. This is how we change the default page into our Storyline output pages. Thank you very much. See you.